Hi guys, today we're making pom-poms. Here is an example of pom-poms, as you can see right here. All you need is pom-pom maker, scissors, and different colored yarns. Let's get started. So first you want to take your pom-pom maker. You can use the different sizes if you want. I'm going to use this big blue one. I'm going to use this orange yarn. I'm going to wrap it around the pom-pom maker. I'm going to do it like this. Alright guys, I'm almost finished tying the yarn around the pom-pom maker. So when I'm finished with this one here, this side, I'm going to tie yarn on the other side of the pom-pom maker when I'm finished with this one right over here. And I'm finished. So now I'm going to cut this yarn, and then I'm going to take the rest of the yarn and I'm going to wrap it around the pom-pom maker right here on this side. So I'm going to take my yarn and I'm going to wrap it around like this, the same way that I did with the other side here of the pom-pom maker. Alright guys, so I'm almost finished wrapping the yarn around this side here on the pom-pom maker. So I'm almost finished with the pom-pom that I'm going to make. Alright everyone, I think I'm finished wrapping the yarn around, and I'm going to cut it here. And then I'm going to close the pom-pom maker together, and I'm going to cut it with scissors. So here's how I'm going to do it. So I'm going to take my scissors, put them here, and I'm going to cut pieces of yarn right here with the pom-pom maker still closed like this. Alright everyone, I finished cutting the yarn part here in the pom-pom maker, and I'm going to do the knotting part here. So let's get started. I'm going to take this piece of yarn here, I'm going to pull down and make an X, and I'm going to pull up like this here, and then I'm going to make another X, and then I'm going to pull down like this, and then I'm going to be making another X like this, and then I will be pulling up like this, and then I'm going to start making the knot. Alright guys, so now I'm going to add the knot here. So I'm going to do it like tying shoelaces here. So it's very simple, so do it like this, and then you're going to pull it down, and then I'm going to do it again like this. There we go, and then pull down, and then you're almost done with your pom-pom. So then you're also going to take your pom-pom maker right here, and you're going to pull them apart. So I'm going to show you how to pull them apart. It's very simple, but sometimes a little hard. You have to do this here, this here, and then you're going to pull them apart. It's going to be a little bit tricky to pull apart. But yeah, I almost got it. I got it. I got one part. I got the other part. And this is my pom-pom, and I'm going to do trimming here. Well, trimming is optional in your pom-pom, but if you want to keep it like round and fluffy, you may want to trim it. You may want to trim out some parts that you don't want in pom-pom to keep it nice and round and fluffy. I'm going to do it like this, and scissors, cut a piece of the yarn here. And here, I'm going to cut this one. There you go. And that's how to make a pom-pom. And this is what it will look like for an example. Here are also some pom-poms that me and my sister made. And I'll show you. This is the one my sister made. She also made this one. I made this red one. And the black one right over here is my very first one. Anyways, it's a lot of fun. It's a fun craft you can do for decorations, wreaths, clothing, blankets and quilts and other stuff. And yeah, it's a lot of fun. Well, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you soon in another video. Bye!